Un, dos, tres.
Next up we have Soraya Sobradad.
Hey my darlings, my name is the super sexy, super fabulous, and much more desirable Soraya Sobradad. Welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my show. Ola's, my loves. I wanted to talk about Bradley. You know, I want to talk about my facial feminization and where I am now, because I want to just really show you that I have no more bumps on my forehead. Now, I did the Bradley videos and I talked about that the surgery, I had some resulting bumps. My forehead is not as smooth as it was the first time around with facial team. It's bumpy. It's bumpy. Right? And then I had this horrible swelling about a month and a half ago. I started experiencing some real soreness that was uncomfortable / painful. My bump got bigger, other stuff. Like I was swelling at night, like if I slept on my side, my face would swell, and the bumps actually got a little bigger. Let's see, I want you to get really close to the camera. There's no bumps. There's no bumps. It's totally smooth. The swelling is gone. I'm totally fine. So, the year anniversary was July, August, September, October, November, October. So we're in mid-October, and it's been 3 months and a year, and my face is much smoother. I talked about in the video that I had cut down on my carbs. That's still what I'm doing, which lends itself to doing the keto cake, which is lower carb than gluten-free flours. And on today's show, I have my keto yellow cake with stevia sweetened chocolate chips. Was that the reason why the bumps went down? I don't know. But I know that I spoke to my friend that I talked about on the video, Jill. Oh, she's a femme queen, honey. She's beautiful. A beautiful transgender woman. Yo, she's working it. She's lovely. Lovely. That's so beautiful to see. So what, we got a couple of bumps. And she did have bumps, and one eye bigger than the other, and this and that. And she also was very clear about the fact that it was worth the effort of going through surgery, and now she'll take these imperfections because, like I stated in the video, she looks like a freaking diva. She's amazing. She's beautiful. And now that my face is like calmed down, the headaches are less. I'm not working the job that I was getting headaches because the volume on the headsets was very loud. The headsets were very tight. I didn't like that. It just felt uncomfortable. I have headaches from time to time, but nothing like it was when I was working the job. From the surgery with Bradley too, one ear, it's weird. The headset fits, when it fits to the ear, it hurts. This ear gets easily clogged. I've had other trans women say that after surgery they have a steady runny nose, or they're still numb in one side of their face. There's going to be something, gang, folks, listeners, watchers. There's going to be something. Maybe nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I hope that, and I wish that for you if you're going for facial feminization with a surgeon and doctors and all of that. But I want to tell you, just to be honest about what went on with Bradley, and I've been very clear and transparent that today there are no bumps on my face. And the reason why I'm wearing this wig is not to cover my forehead. This is my Soraya Sobradad cooking show wig. I like this look. It really brings out the diva in me that started this show. And so the wig is kind of signature. It kind of like, what's his name on Peanuts? Linus's blanket. This is kind of like my blanket. This is wig. I could use a new one though. Like, I like a nice red one because, you know, my hair is magenta red now. I like to grow my hair this long in the magenta red color. Very Iris Chacon. So, yeah, so no bumps. I've lost weight, so I'm a little, my face is not as full. I've lost weight. And swelling is totally down. I went past through that swelling period about a month and a half ago with the added unicorn bump. It's just the weirdest thing. Sometimes there's a little soreness, sometimes there's no soreness, and I'm just gonna go for it. As long as I don't grow a unicorn from here. And if I do that, then you know what? I have a unicorn horn. You know what I mean? Like, I'll make it pretty. You gotta work with everything. I gotta work with everything, not you. You know, life on life's terms. It went away. It went away, and I'm grateful. I hope it stays there. But nonetheless, I was willing to live with the bumps, willing to live with the headaches as we wait for the keto vegan vanilla cake with chocolate chips to bake.